With AlertSite, we've been able to reduce our mean time to repair significantly over the last 4 years. Before, when an incident happened in production, the dev team would say, well, show me what happened. I don't believe you, effectively. And then there's the battle of the ops and dev teams, right? Well, now, using the AlertSite data, that gulf has virtually disappeared. Now we're truly dev on, not anymore dev on one side and ops on the other side, but dev and ops together. Because data from AlertSite has shown the dev team what the production problems are. So anytime an AlertSite alert comes in, an incident is opened. And I'll talk about some of the automation in a little bit. That incident start time is marked with the AlertSite alert. It is the end of that incident is marked with AlertSite. If everybody else believes that the platform's fine or that particular service is OK, but AlertSite alert has not cleared, we don't close the incident. Our customer-facing service level agreement and the data behind it is supported with the data from AlertSite.